Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to another painting video with me. Today, we're going to experience one of the most beautiful contrasts in nature, where golden autumn and white winter live side by side. The warm sunlight dances through the branches filled with leaves, while the cold snow has quietly covered the ground. I start with a large flat brush, mixing white with a touch of yellow and just a hint of red to create a sky that feels like sunrise. Not too bright, not too warm. Now, using the same brush, I add blue, yellow, and a little bit of black. While the previous color is still on the brush, I gently tap to shape the distant trees. Far away, the colors are cooler and softer, more blue, more quiet. As I move lower, the tones become warmer. And when I reach the edge of the water, the colors reflect themselves like a quiet melody echoing through stillness. With a mix of white and blue, I define the horizon and the surface of the lake, adding light reflections of the snow-covered branches above. The snow sits on those branches like a delicate veil of light, and with every soft brush stroke, you can almost feel the freshness of the cold air. In the front of the lake, I use some of the sky colors again. Where warm and cool tones meet, I blend them softly with back and forth movements. So there's no clear line, just pure calmness. Now it's time for the warm colors. I mix yellow, red, and a touch of black to create a deep, vibrant brown, the true soul of autumn, alive, passionate, and a little nostalgic. I begin shaping the reflections of autumn trees on the water from dark to light, like a quiet fire glowing in silence. You can start with the trees or their reflections first. There's no rule here, just follow your feeling. Tell me, which one would you paint first? The warmth of the trees or the cool reflection in the water? Next, I paint the main trees above the reflections. Their leaves shine like gold under the sunlight. The outer branches are brighter, as if the sun just kissed them before sunset. There's a peaceful energy flowing through these colors. Autumn is still alive, even as winter draws near. Wherever you are in this beautiful world, thank you for watching and for letting my art be part of your day. It means more than words can say. I wish you light, peace, and endless inspiration. I paint the ground beneath the trees with a very dark brown and repeat the same tone on the opposite side of the painting to bring balance to the composition. Then I carefully add the tree trunks. The ones in the background are thinner and shorter, while those in the front stand tall and strong, giving the scene depth and a sense of shelter. With a liner brush and diluted paint, I draw fine branches, like they're still holding on to the last warmth of sunlight. Their reflections stretch softly across the water, making it feel even calmer and still. Now it's time for the snow. I mix white with a little blue and a touch of black to get an icy, transparent tone. With soft strokes, I apply it on the ground and tree trunks. Where sunlight hits directly, I use pure white to make it shine brighter, so the snow looks fluffy and real. I add gentle shadows to make you feel the cold air, and a bit of snow on the branches too, as if it's just stopped snowing and you can still smell the freshness of winter. And now, for the final touches, with diluted yellow and white, I paint soft sun rays breaking through the branches. Using tiny white highlights, I brighten the center of the light, a spark of life glowing in the heart of winter. After adding the last little details, the painting is complete. A perfect harmony between the chill of snow and the warmth of sunlight, between the quiet of winter and the music of autumn colors. Thank you so much for staying with me till the end. If you enjoyed this painting, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss the next painting.